Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Chevy Camaro. Stock number is A6896. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels. We're going to take a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Camaro on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.